Okay, I'm back. Today I'm right in the middle of Hyde Park in Toronto. And I figured I'd do a little walk and see what's going on in Hyde Park. It's about 5:30 p.m. And once again, no sun. But let's go for a little walk. Hyde Park. Well, the doggies run. There's one now. And cyclists. And another doggy. And let's walk up this hill, because I have a hill to walk up. I've been walking for a little while, so I'm tired. Just want to get up the hill and get out of here. Good old Hyde Park. Okay. That's what I have to work with. Okay. This is an area where a lot of people walk their dogs. You don't have to have a leash on your dog, I don't believe, here. So the doggies are free to sniff each other's butts. I don't know what kind of breed these dogs are, but I thought it was a greyhound, but it's not. All the puppies are friendly. A few of them have actually sniffed my butt, but I quickly batted them off. I'm heading towards the subway. It's going to take a little while for me to get there. Here comes another doggy. I think he's aiming his nose towards me. I think they all, after a while, look for little pets in the head and stuff. Quite the treat, so they can run wild like they're meant to. Up there, some more park. It's January 2023. It's great to walk when there's no snow. I've got comfortable running shoes on. I decided to bring you on this little adventure. What you'll be seeing on this little adventure is lots of dogs. Doggies galore. This one's coming straight for me. Oh, I can sniff my butt. Ah, yes. There was a bit of sunshine today. I figure I'll do a little walk in the sunshine, but by the time I got to Hyde Park, the sun said, oh, that's it, I'm gone. And that was the end of that. But it was good for a little while it lasted. A little bit of a wind. Every time I come to Hyde Park, there's always helicopters flying over for some reason. I don't know if they're looking for something or what, but you can probably hear it overhead. Oh. Maybe there's more activity in the park than I know of. That's why there's a helicopter, but you can probably hear it now. Yes, this is a big park. I mean, you have no problems getting lost in here. As a matter of fact, I think I might be a bit lost myself. Oh, I think I got about another 10 minutes of walking.
Also, sometimes, you know how sometimes here, like there's big walls.
Let's take a look and see what it's doing. That's what I have to work with. The trees block any last bit of sun that there is. I just gotta work with what I have. Hope that helicopter isn't circling me. What the hell? Let's see if I can show you what's going on up there. Where is he? Oh, do you see it? Do you see it? I'm the only guy with a camera, so he's probably watching me. I don't know. I wouldn't mind getting a dog, but unfortunately I'm selfish. I'd lose too much of my freedom. I'd have to go home at a specific time and feed them and walk them. Well, I don't mind the walking part, but if I have anything spontaneous to do, I have to think of the dog all the time. And I can't have that. I'm enjoying my freedom and I love it. Really getting dark down here. I'm getting right into the thick of things. The lights are on. I just hope I'm going in the right direction. I just don't feel like getting lost and spending a half hour trying to find my way out of here. This helicopter is really getting annoying. It's coming back. Anyways, let's see what's going on down here. A little creek. A little creek action there. Hyde Park. Creek activity. Water's flowing, no ice. I think it's like plus 2 degrees Celsius. And we're still going. I don't know what direction we're going in, to tell you the truth. All I know is a whole bunch of dogs chasing us. I think they're afraid of the camera. Oh. Very happy dog. These two want to sniff each other.
No, I'm saying, let's go, come. Sit. Sit.
I think you can hear the creek over here. More creek shots. Okay, let's continue. If I'm the only one down here and it's dark. Ah, yes, happy doggies. Yeah, I do like dogs, but I don't know. It's a lot of responsibility and a lot of, you know, time. And very expensive if they become sick. So, a couple of puppies here. This should be a dog video as opposed to a walk the park video. Want to see happy dogs on the trail. High Park. 5:30-ish. Starting to get a little cold. I'm talking about the temperature. Starting to feel a little cold. Oh, I hear an aggressive dog. Oh, I just hope to... What's going on here? Okay. I think
These are mine. Getting along. Yeah, no, I know.
Oh, okay.
Mine aren't getting along right now. So I'm between the two.
little puppies there that are having a little dispute. Oh yeah. Somebody's butt smells bad, I guess. Anyways, let's continue on. Because it's time to continue on. Yeah, so anything could happen when you have a dog. High Park. Walking High Park. With doggy craziness.
When she came up, like we had to.
What other excitement can we find at the park? As it becomes nightfall, like real fast. I can't believe how fast the light in the sky disappeared on me. Another little creek. Let's get to the creek. Oh, wow, look at that. Big waterfalls. Okay, let's get out of here. My footage is getting grainy in that one there. Since there's no light. Oh. I don't want to have to adjust my white balance on my camera, so see if I can get through this vlog as fast as I can before can't see anything. Bunch of kids. They're probably looking for a place to smoke pot. Okay, this is a bit of a hill here. I'm tired, but if I don't do it, I'll have to sleep in the park all by myself. Well, kids are coughing over there. As long as they keep the COVID over there, I'm okay. They're coming back at me. How is it possible? Too tired to run. I don't think I could outrun them, so I'll just hand over the camera. Oh, this is a tough hill. I've seen people with bicycles go up here. They're really in shape. I'm walking, I'm ready to sit down. Okay. This is gonna be a bit of a track here. Here comes another little puppy pulling a kid down the hill, coming right to me. Ah, yes. Starved to show this pup. Okay, I can see the top of the hill there. Anyone behind me? No, I don't think so. I'm telling you, this hill here is hilly. But we must soldier on. Another puppage coming. One has a light on him or her. I'm sure the other puppies and dogs make fun of the light. Oh. I can see my shadow. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Oh. They have seen me. All of them have lights on them. It's good. If they get lost, you can find them. These two here are quite happy. There's one over there. Okay. I see civilization is a building over there. Apartment buildings over there. Well, I don't think there's much left to see, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Please like and subscribe. And I'll make more videos when I get a chance. Ooh. I think I can. Oh, I hear some dogs killing each other down there. I don't know what's with the dogs. Must be something in the air. Okay, bye-bye. Time to go home.